In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a fundraiser on Facebook. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe and let's get right into it. So guys, if you are wanting to create a fundraiser for any reason, I'm going to show you how you can do that in today's video step by step and how you can go ahead and publish it in the end. So first of all, what you want to do once you have signed into your Facebook account and you are on your Facebook feed, as you can see there's a couple of options here down the left hand side. What you want to go ahead and do is click on See More, and then you will need to scroll down a little bit until you find the Fundraisers tab, which is right here. It's just a little love heart icon. So once you've found that, go ahead and select it. So what you can do once you have clicked on Fundraisers, it will bring you to this page here, and as you can see, raise money for yourself, a friend, a business or a charity on Facebook. So if you want to raise money for a charity, you'll want to select this one here. But for this example and this tutorial, I'm going to raise money for yourself, a friend or a business. So I'm going to select this category here. And then once you've done that, you will need to determine like what category you are in. So whether that's a medical emergency that you need a fundraiser for, whether it's for your family, for your business, for your pet or anything like that. So for this example, I will just go ahead and select medical. So as you can see, once you select your category, you will get a desktop preview and you can also change it to the mobile preview as well. So what you can do on the left hand side is select your category as I've just done. So what is the title of your fundraiser? So I'm going to say just tutorial in here. So once that you put in your title, and make sure it's a title which gives the donators a little bit of context to what you are obviously raising money for, and then why are you raising money. So for in here, what you need to do is go ahead and put a little paragraph and a little story on what you are raising money for and give a little context to the donators that will be donating to your fundraiser. So again, I am just going to put in here just a little brief description and just obviously so I can input it in. So I've gone in and put a brief description in this section here, and obviously this will be specific to yourself and your circumstances and why you are raising money. So where are you raising money? You can go ahead and select whatever country it is. So if you scroll down, you can find whichever country is relevant to you. So I'll select United Kingdom because that's where I am. And how much do you want to raise? So for example, you can put anything in. So you could go ahead and put in £5, $5. You could put in $500, £500, whatever it may be, and whatever you wanted to raise, you can put it in this section. So the next step would be to select the currency that you want your fundraiser to be in. So for me, I've got the option of Great British Pound and Euro. So for me, I would select Great British Pound, and then I would go ahead and click on this. When would I like it to start? So if I wanted it to start, today, what I could do is I could come to the 23rd of March, click on that date, or you can change it to whatever date you like. So 1st of June, for example. And then what you can do here is you can add a cover photo. Then it gives a little bit more context to the people that are donating. And then what you can do then is simply click on create. And then if all is well and you have met Facebook's terms and conditions, your fundraiser will then be created and then it will be live on whatever date you set. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.